If the cake is not baked fully before you take it out, then it will deflate. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the highest part of the cake. If the toothpick comes out with a little batter on it, it's underbaked. You need to bake it further. If it comes out with a few crumbs, then it's perfectly done and you need to take it out of the oven immediately. If it comes out absolutely clean, then it's overbaked and baking it further will dry it out. Avoid rotating the pan halfway through baking. If you have to rotate it, then try waiting till a little over half the baking time. Because if the cake is set enough before you rotate it, then the chance of it collapsing reduces. Do not slam the door after opening it to check for doneness, because that will shake the container and collapse the structure of the cake. Don't overmix the batter, as that will incorporate extra bubbles into the batter. If the structure of the cake is not able to hold in that extra air bubbles, then the cake will collapse. This too could happen, although not often, and probably should be concluded by intermediate or experienced chefs. If you tried everything and still not getting the required results, then the recipe itself might not be right. There could be misprints in it.